How to fix HP Officejet Pro 8600 printer failure error. 7 quick solutions. Method 1. Reinstall cartridges. Step 1. Pull down the ink cartridge access door and wait for the ink cartridges to come into the replacement position. Step 2. Press any ink cartridge toward the back to let it pop out. Step 3. Insert the ink cartridge back into the printhead latch. Step 4. Go to the display screen and tap OK. Method 2. Inspect for jammed papers. Step 1. Open the front paper tray 1 and gently remove all the papers. Step 2. Turn the printer off with the power button. Step 3. Go to the back of the printer and remove the USB cable and power cord. Step 4. Remove the duplexer by pushing the tab on the left and right side. Step 5. Gently take out the jammed paper. Step 6. Check thoroughly inside the printer for any jammed pieces of paper. Step 7. Take the duplexer and press the tab to open it to check any jammed paper. Step 8. Lift the printer off from the tray and remove any jammed paper. Step 9. Check the output tray for jammed papers. Method 3. Check the carriage paths. Step 1. Turn the printer off. Step 2. Remove the USB cable and power cord. Step 3. Open the cartridge access door and check for obstructions or jammed paper. Step 4. Close the cartridge access door. Step 5. Plug back the power cord. Step 6. Turn the printer on. Step 7. Open the cartridge access door again, then wait for the ink cartridges to come into the replacement position. Step 8. Disconnect the power cord while the printer is powered on. Step 9. Push the gray lever, then remove the printhead assembly. Note: don't leave the printhead assembly and cartridges open for over 5 minutes. Step 10. Look inside the carriage path for any obstructions. Step 11. Reinstall the printhead assembly. Method 4. Clean the printhead. Step 1. Turn on your printer. Step 2. Open the ink cartridge access door and wait for the ink cartridges to come into the replacement position. Step 3. Take out all the ink cartridges. Step 4. Open the gray lever, then remove the printhead. Step 5. Take a syringe with a plastic tube attached and fill it with warm water. Step 6. Attach the plastic tube into any nozzle, then slowly push the warm water. Step 7. Clean the printhead with a dry cloth before inserting it back. Method 5. Check for firmware updates. Step 1. Ensure the printer has a stable internet connection via wireless or Ethernet. Step 2. On the control panel, open the Setup, Service, or Settings menu. Step 3. Tap on Preferences, Printer Maintenance, or Tools. Step 4. Tap on Web Services or Printer Update. Step 5. Accept the Web Services Terms of Usage. Step 6. Turn on Update the printer automatically. Method 6. Reset the printer. Step 1. Turn your printer on. Step 2. Disconnect the power cord from the rear of the printer. Step 3. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Step 4. Wait at least 60 seconds. Step 5. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Step 6. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Step 7. Turn the printer on. Method 7. Test with a different cartridge. Step 1. Open the ink cartridge access door and wait for the ink cartridges to come into the replacement position. Step 2. Press any ink cartridge toward the back to let it pop out. Step 3. Insert the ink cartridge back into the printhead latch. Step 4. Tap OK on the display screen. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.